1 hour later.
Dito na kami guys, Mount Fuji. Yan siya. So cold. The Fuji Subaru Line 5th station is a popular starting point for hikers on Mount Fuji. Lamig. It is located at an altitude of about 2,300 meters and offers stunning views of the mountain. The station is accessible by road and has a number of amenities, including restaurants and shops. Guys, ang lamig! I can't feel my hands and face at this point, which is why I'm laughing. I underestimated the cold at the Subaru Line 5th station. Nakalimutan ko yung gloves! Ayun, thank you, Mot. Picture me. Love you.